Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate a very useful software for drawing the graphs. This is the URL of the software. The same URL I'll provide in the description box of this video also. You just click on the link and directly open the software. So name of the software is MT Smart Graph. The procedure to draw the graphs as well as how to transfer the graph from the software to MS Word or Excel, that also I'll explain in this video. Let's get started now. So here enter the title of the graph. For example, I am entering the title as a CO wise marks distribution. For CO wise marks distribution in the question paper, I want to draw a small bar chart. For this purpose, I am just taking the title like this. Along the x-axis, I want to take the CO numbers, CO1, then CO2, separate all these values with commas. This is very important. Okay, whatever data you want to display along the x-axis or y-axis, all the data you have to separate with commas only. Don't give space also, use only commas. Okay, CO1 comma, CO2 comma, CO3. That's all. Three values I want to display along x-axis. Then along the y-axis, I want to display the marks allocated for each CO. That means for CO1 marks allocated is 15, comma, CO2 15, comma, CO3 10. This is the process to enter the data. Okay. Then click on draw graph. Automatically it is generating the graph. CO1 15, CO2 15, CO3 10. So now you want to keep the bar chart or pie chart, whatever you want to keep in the question paper, you just copy and paste in MS Word like this. Go to copy image, open Word, then go to paste, select paste special, then select this picture PNG format, click on OK. Then whatever chart we have generated using the software, that is transferred to MS Office. Okay, the same way now I'll generate one more chart using the software, that is for Bloom's taxonomy. Bloom's taxonomy. So Bloom's taxonomy, in the question paper, suppose I am using only two levels, like BL1 is the first level, comma, second one is BL2, third level BL3, something is there, then you just go on entering the values separated by commas. Otherwise, don't keep the comma at the end also. Okay, BL1 comma BL2, these are the two values along the x-axis. Along the y-axis, so for Bloom taxonomy level 1, I am giving for 30 marks, comma, level 2 I am giving only for 10 marks. 10, 30 comma 10 are the values along y-axis. Okay, don't put comma at the end, it's not necessary. So in between the values you have to keep commas. That is the procedure. Then click on draw graph. Automatically graph is generated. Bloom's taxonomy graph is generated. Here you just click on copy image. Now move to Word. Here just go to paste special, select PNG, okay. Then that will be transferred to MS Office. In this way, very easily you can draw the graphs using this software. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel.